people, welcome to my channel. Keep watching the video.
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine. So today we are going to bake a very easy cake which is just appropriate to gift it and present it to your loved ones, because you know that there is lockdown going on and we cannot buy things from outside, so it is just the perfect thing. So without any further words, let's get into the video.
Take a clean bowl and add 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of crushed sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix the powdered ingredients well. Then smash 2 eggs into the mixture. Stir it well. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and half cup of molten butter. Mix the batter carefully with the help of a spatula and then add raw milk gradually till the perfect consistency is reached. So you have seen that the batter is almost ready, and I am stirring it once again. Here I am taking a heart-shaped cake mold and greasing it with butter or any vegetable oil. Put the batter carefully. Here I am adding some sweets. Obviously you can customize it. Now it's ready to get inside the microwave oven. The details of the microwave oven will be given in the description box below. Please do check that. The cake is baking inside, and I've taken it out and decorated it with some Cadbury gems. In the same way, I prepared another cake in the shape of a square.
Already seen that very easy process of baking cake. So I hope it will taste good and you can present it to your loved ones. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and tap the bell notification button so that you never miss any update from my channel. Bye.